Chinese smartphone maker iVoomi on Tuesday announced the launch of its latest smartphone in India, the iVoomi Z1. This phone is claimed to be one of the most affordable offerings in the market with a display notch. Other highlights of the iVoomi Z1 include face unlock capabilities using the selfie camera, a 13-megapixel rear camera with Sony sensor, and 3 color options to choose from. Color options for the iVoomi Z1 include classic black, ocean blue, and platinum gold. iVoomi Z1 price in India has been set at 6,999 rupees for the lone 2GB RAM, 16GB storage variant, and it will be available exclusively via Flipkart starting October 11th. The phone will, however, be sold at an introductory price of 6,499 rupees during Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale period between October 11th and October 14th. Buyers are also entitled to 10% additional discount with HDFC Bank debit cards, credit cards, and ME transactions. iVoomi has also tied up with Reliance Jio to offer cashback worth Rs. 2,200 with Jio's Rs. 198 and 299 rupees recharge packs. iVoomi Z1 specifications: the dual SIM, dual 4G Volta iVoomi Z1 runs SmartMe OS 3.0 on top of Android 8.1 Oreo, and sports a 5.67-inch HD plus 720 by 1498 pixels full-view display with an 18.79 aspect ratio and a wide display notch up top. The phone is powered by a quad-core MediaTek MT6739W SoC, coupled with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of inbuilt storage. Storage on the phone is expandable via microSD card, up to 128 GB. In terms of optics, the iVoomi Z1 sports a single 13-megapixel rear camera Sony IMX135 sensor with 5P lens and a soft flash. On the front, the smartphone bears a 5-megapixel selfie camera with 1.12 micron pixel size and a 4P lens. Connectivity options include 4G Volta, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and micro USB with OTG support. The phone comes with a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor and support for face unlock. It has a weight of about 150.7 grams. The handset is backed by a 2,800 mAh battery under the hood. The iVoomi Z1's SmartMe OS 3.0 features the company's proprietary smart battery management system that optimizes the battery performance by analyzing user behavior to manage apps and background activity. In most of our customer interactions, we figured out that the latest buzzword for the smartphone users even in Tier 2, 3, and 4 cities, is the notch. Everybody wants to own the latest technology irrespective of the price segment, said Ashwin Bandari, CEO, iVoomi India. Considering this, we decided to give our customers a visual treat this festive season. iVoomi has been diligently working towards developing technology for masses in India, and the launch of iVoomi Z1 is one step ahead in this direction.